Hello, hello. Good, good afternoon, student. PDF हेर्दैछ तिमीहरू? ओके। अब हामीहरूको बुकको नाम छ इम्प्लोइ एबिलिटी स्किल्स मिन्स कम्युनिकेसन स्किल्स छ। बुझ्यो? अब लास्ट क्लासमा हामीले के पढ्दै थियौँ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ कम्युनिकेसन स्किलमा चाहिँ यो पिडिएफ क्लियर हुँदैछ? पिडिएफ क्लियर अहिले आउँदैछ। अब एकछिन ल। अब यो अब देख्दैछ? अब युनिट 1 युनिट 1 को कम्युनिकेसन स्किल्स देख्यो? त्यसो भए यहाँ हेर कम्युनिकेसन स्किल्समा चाहिँ फर्स्टमा के छ सेसन 1मा चाहिँ हामी के को बारेमा पढ्नु पर्ने छ भन्दाखेरि मेथड्स अफ कम्युनिकेसन कम्युनिकेसनको मेथड्सको बारेमा पढ्नु पर्ने छ। लास्ट क्लासमा हामीले कम्युनिकेसन पढेको थियो, कम्युनिकेसनको इन्ट्रोडक्सन पार्ट्सहरू हो कि होइन? अब यहाँ हेर कम्युनिकेसन स्किल टपिक छ। सो यो लास्ट क्लास वी हेभ स्टडी द इन्ट्रोडक्सन एबाउट फर द कम्युनिकेसन स्किल्स, यु नो only few students are present on that time. So now today I am going to teach you session 1 methods of communication. Hello, I'm audible for you. How many students are present? बिचमा अड्किँदै आउँदैछ। अब मेरो भोइस क्लियर आउँदैछ? अब आउँदैछ है। ओके ल। लास्ट क्लास वी हेभ स्टडी अबाउट फर द कम्युनिकेसन एन्ड वी अल्सो लर्न introduction for the communication skills, no? So today now I am going to teach one methods of communication. What kind of a methods of communication? Now see, it visible for your notes. Hello, Akash, everybody, it's visible for you. Okay, shall I start? Shall I start? Okay, now see, session 1 methods of communication. The word communication comes from the Latin word communicare, meaning to share. The words communication come from the Latin. Latin words means years ago they used the word communication means to share something to others person. Nowadays we don't use the share, we use the communication. Is a modify words. Okay. Latin word means is a old name. Is a years ago they used the communication means to share something to your friends that they can understand. To means the communication. Now, second paragraph, being able to communicate effectively is one of the most important life skill. Being able to, when you communicate, that time is most important for your life skills. They change your skill. When you are speaking English, totally you have changed. You follow the West English language. Communication skills are now. Communication skills now see needed to communicate effectively with people and customers. Why communications are needed? Poonam, why communication is very important? Poonam, hello, interact with people to easily convey your message so they can understand what you are want to try to saying to others. No, okay. Here same things are saying. Communicate needed to communicate effectively with people and customers. Customers also. If you are a shopkeeper, imagine for example just think about for you are a shopkeeper person. If customers are come to once he wants to buy a product something, so if you don't know the about for the product and you also not communicate properly with your customer, so customer can understand what you are trying to saying. So what do you think? Your communication is very well and so people, so customer can easily understand. This models aims, now see the, this models aims to help you improve your communication skills. This models helps you to improve your communication skills. Skills is also important for you. Why skill is important? Because if some customers are asking for the product and you also explain the product, if you don't know the product, if you don't know about for the product, so customer they cannot understand about for the product. No. Now see the second, third paragraph. Clear and conscious communication is of immense importance in work and business environment as there are several parties involved. You're simply saying for communication immunize, where they immunize the importance in work. When you're doing a work, any kind of the work, a business environment, there are so many parties are involved. Only one, not only one party are involved. There are so many persons are involved. They're doing party is doing their business. So that time you use which language, you know the one language is enough for you. So they your business person, yeah, parties they can understand. You can explain, no. मिस मैले भन्न चाहेको के हो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ लाइक त्यहाँ अब बिजनेस गर्नेमा एकजना मात्रै पार्टी हुँदैन होइन, कतिजना पार्टिजहरू आएको हुन्छ, डिफ्रेन्ट डिफ्रेन्ट दे आर कम फ्रम डिफ्रेन्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेजेस. सो वान ल्याङ्ग्वेज इज इनफ फर यु, विच ल्याङ्ग्वेज यु पेपर, इङ्ग्लिस, इङ्ग्लिस यु पेपर. सो everybody should they can understand your language. Like you're saying for various stakeholders like customers, employee, vendors, media, etc. are always sending important information to each other. How they sending each other message through by one language. They cannot talk so many language. They can only prefer one language. So one language is enough for everybody. No customers they can understand one language. If you are communicate with one language, like for example English. If you explain by through English, customer can also understand English. Employers, vendors, media, they can easily understand if one language. Now see the how they understand. Communication has three important parts. Communication has the three important parts. Now see, communication has how many parts important? First one is transmitting, second one is listening, third one is feedback. No, our transmitting, now see the transmitting meanings. The sender transmit the message. Sender means who are sender? Punam, who are the sender? Sender को हुन्छ ट्रान्समिटिङमा. The sender transmit the message through one medium or another. I am a sender, like I'm sending message to another. You are another person, I am a medium. Through one medium. How I am transmitting the message? Through mobile. No? For example, I am a sender. I am transmitting message through on one medium. Medium, for example, if you think about for the medium like mobile, I'm through mobile, I'm sending your message. I'm explaining to you. You are another person, second person. Number two, listening. The receiver listens or understand the message. Listening means you are a receiver. I am a sender. I am sending to message. And you are a listening. Means you are a receiver. You are listening and understanding the message. My message you are understanding. Right? You are doing the try to understanding my message. What I am trying to saying to you. And third one is feedback. Feedback for now. See the feedback is what is feedback actually. The receiver conveys their understanding of the messages to the sender in their form of feedback to complete the communication cycle. Now see, the feedback means the receiver, whenever the receiver convey their understanding of the message to the sender. When I'm sending you a message, if you are understanding what you understanding, and I'm asking whatever I'm telling to you, what do you understand? Give me a feedback. That time you have to give me feedback. What do you understand my session? What you gain? Okay? Hello? Feedback भनेको के हो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ, फिडब्याक भनेको के भन्दैछ भने चाहिँ म जब तिमीहरूलाई पढाउँदैछु है, तिमीहरू सुन्यो, सुनेर के बुझ्यौ होइन, वाट यु हेभ अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड इन माई स्टडी, त्यो त्यति बेला चाहिँ के गर्नु पर्यो, तिमीहरू मलाई फिडब्याक दिनु पर्यो कतिको बुझ्यौ भनेर. बुझ्यौ, त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी के भन्छ, वाट यु हेभ टोल्ड, वाट यु हेभ टु से, फिडब्याक. ओके गुड. अब नेक्स्ट यहाँ चाहिँ अब is, let us look at an example below in outlet of a bookstore. Here given a one beautiful example bookstore. Customer, salesperson. Now see the sides. Customer paragraph. To customer is totally related with the retail associated. Retail associated means also a one shopkeeper, wholesale shop. Do you have the textbook of beauty therapists published by National Council of Educational Resource and Training? A customer they are asking the book. Do you have that book for in on your shop भन्दैछ बुझ्दैछ customer they are asking which book they are asking. Hello, textbook of beauty therapist they are asking which book, beauty therapist, published by whom, published by whom, national. Good. Who asking, who was asking, customer, to asking to whom, they are telling to whom. Now see second, salesperson. Salesperson, customer directly asking to the salesperson. Now salesperson what they are saying, let me check. Hello, hello, hello. Salesperson are saying first of all, okay, I'm going to check, let me check. In the above conversation, in the above conversation, the information is being transmitted orally by the customer. How the information customer are transmitted by, hello, hello. In the above conversation जति माथि conversation भएको छ, the information is being transmitted or orally by the customer. जुन चाहिँ कन्भर्जेसन माथि भयो है, त्यो कन्भर्जेसन माथि भएकोमा जुन चाहिँ इन्फर्मेसन छ त्यो कसरी ट्रान्समिटेड हुँदैछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ एउटा ओरली, ओरली भनेको भोइसद्वारा चाहिँ कस्टमरले कसलाई सोध्दैछ, सेल्स पर्सनलाई, यो यो तपाईँको दोकानमा यो बुक छ कि छैन भनेर। त्यहाँ सेल्स पर्सन हेर, सेल्स पर्सनले के भन्दैछ, लेट मी चेक। त्यहाँदेखि सेकेन्डमा के भन्दैछ, इन द एबभ कन्भर्जेसन द इन्फर्मेसन इज बिङ ट्रान्समिटेड orally by the customer. How the information transmitted by the customer? By orally. Orally means voicely. Okay, you got it. The salesperson is the listener in this case. Who are the listener in this case? Okay, salesperson are listener. Why they are listener? Because they have to give the book. They have to going to checking the book, that book are available on that store or not. Now see the uh, listener in this case. Okay, the discussion about book is the message. Message is the book. No, they're finding the book. They're checking the book available or not. Now see the salesperson. Yes, we have the textbook of beauty therapist. Now what the salesperson are saying? Yes, we have the textbook of which book they have. Okay, good. Now see the customer side. Please give me one copy of the textbook. I want to purchase it. So customer, what they are saying? Please give me on one copy that book. No, that beauty. Which book? Book name? Beauty therapist. Okay. Now see the customer paragraph. In the above conversation, जति माथि conversation भएको थियो है, in the above conversation, the receiver response, that is the salesperson. Who are the receiver? Salesperson is the feedback. I will now is turn for the feedback. This is an example of a communication between the customer and the salesperson. Which conversation are going in between? Salesperson. Good. Who are the receiver? Salesperson is the receiver. No, sender is a customer. Okay, good. Now see the third paragraph. The process of conveying a message is complete only when the person it has understood the message is it eternity. Now see the process of conveying what they conveying a message is complete only when complete. Hello. Mhm. Sorry for network problem. Due to the network problem, just wait. Now see it visible for you. Note these notes. Okay, now see. The process of conveying a message is complete only when the person receiving it has understand the message in its entirety. How they conveying the message? They conveying the message is a complete only when the person is receiving. When I am receiving and understand this message is a completely good. You know. In this case, the customer understand that the bookstore has the textbook and they can get a copy of the same. In this exercise, what you have learned, the customer understand that bookstore has the textbook, no, and they can get a copy of the same book. So now you see the process, communication process of elements. Have you seen the picture? What on the topic? What they have written? Communication process and elements. Okay, these things I'm going to teach you day after tomorrow. Okay, half an hour is enough for us. Only what now this communication process and elements we have studied day after tomorrow. Okay, this was only for today. Okay, thank you, class. Bye. Thank you.